back to my channel. My name is Brittany Bundles, and today's video is going to be an unboxing video. I am going to be unboxing the iPad 11 Pro in 11 inches, and I'm also going to be unboxing the Magic Keyboard. The iPad I purchased through my cell phone carrier, and I also added on the cellular data package so that I can use my iPad outside of my home, because I do plan to use it with me whenever I'm out. And then also I picked up the Magic Keyboard. I was considering getting a different keyboard. I had my eye on a Logitech keyboard that was pink, and it just caught my eye, but it's sold out. And I don't know when it's going to be back in stock. And so I checked Best Buy, and they did have just two keyboards left. And I'm like, okay, let me go ahead and get it and try it out. So I'm going to be unboxing both. The iPad just came in the mail today, and this is the box that it came in. I already wiped it down and everything, and I am just going to use a pen to open it. I don't have my scissors. They're on that table back there, and I don't feel like getting up to get it. All right, so this is what it looks like inside of the box. Oh, so my cell phone provider actually sent me an umbrella as well. That's really nice. Okay, so I got an umbrella. I wasn't expecting that. I have like my receipt and the activation information. I have a thank you letter from my cell phone carrier. So okay, you know, I'm excited. What else is in here for me? No, but and then you have the iPad. So here's what the iPad looks like, or here's what the packaging looks like. It says iPad Pro 11 inch, second generation. It's 128 gigabytes. And yeah, I did get the iPad in space gray. I thought I would have wanted it to match my iPhone, but I really wasn't that, you know, I was okay with it not matching my iPhone. I wanted it to be dark gray so that I could match like my Apple Watch and also the Magic Keyboard. So that's the color that I decided to get. They do have a larger option. I think it's like 12.5 inches. Don't quote me on it, but they do have a larger option if you do want a larger screen. But I decided just to start off with this, you know, why not? So this is what it looks like. And my case should be coming. I ordered it off Amazon, and it said it should be here like tomorrow. So hopefully it comes by tomorrow. Now this is not lifting as easy as I thought it would. Okay, there we go. All right, let's go ahead and pull it out. This is really light. This is really light. I didn't expect the iPad to be this light, but it's pretty light. This is what it looks like up close. This is what it looks like in the front. Let's go ahead and take off the plastic. So I'm definitely going to have to get like a screen protector, because yeah, I do not want to scratch the screen. Looks really, really pretty. Okay. Put that right there. And then inside of the box, we have the, I'm assuming like the manual and the instructions and probably the stickers that you typically get with Apple products. You have the SIM key. What else is in here? Yep, the stickers. And this is the color that I was debating on getting. Was between this color and this color, and I decided to obviously go with this color, but I think they're both really, really nice. I do want to get the, what is it called, Apple Pencil. I want to get the Apple Pencil possibly, but I'm going to try it out with the Magic Keyboard and just with my fingers first, and then if I still want the Apple Pencil maybe like in a few weeks, then I'll probably get that. It also comes with a charger. I'm excited to be getting another charger because chargers are scarce around here. I don't know if this charger will fit into my iPhone, so it probably won't. It doesn't look like it will. trying to show you as best as I can, but it doesn't look like it will fit inside of my iPhone. I don't know though. I was hoping that it would because I do need another charger. Okay. And that's it. So I'm going to go ahead and turn on the iPad. I gave my other iPad to my son, and he already has like all of his games and everything downloaded on it. I've been using my Mac and my laptop, so I haven't been using my tablet at all because he's had it for a really long time, it feels like. So I'm excited that I finally get an iPad that's just mine. I'm not going to be giving this away to my son. I already told him this is mine. You have the one that I gave you, but this is mine. We've gone through the setup with other products on this channel. So it just has, you know, pick your language. I'm going to pick English, United States, and then set up manually. I'm gonna have to put my Wi-Fi information in, which I don't remember my password. Oh, I think I may have remembered. So while that's setting up, I'm going to go ahead and open up the Magic Keyboard. And this didn't come in a bag or anything like that. When I ordered it from Best Buy, I chose same day pickup, and they have a contactless curbside pickup option where pretty much you order the product, you confirm in your email when you're at the store, and they come out and they put the whatever you ordered, your purchase, in your car. So I just popped my trunk, they placed this in the trunk, and I grabbed it. So it was really, really convenient, really seamless. I would consider ordering another product that same exact way because it was so easy to pick it up. This is what it looks like when you take off the top. And I'm going to show you the back. This is what it's supposed to look like. So we're going to also see if it looks like that. Oh, I got the wrong password. Okay, I'll have to set that up off camera, and then I'll come back and do like a what's on my iPad. But for now, let's continue unboxing the keyboard. It's a good weight. It's not too light. I thought this was going to be lighter than it was. I thought this was going to be heavier than it was, and I thought this was going to be lighter than it actually is. So this is what it looks like. Feels really, really good. I love the material. And let me see if there's anything else inside of the... Okay, so there's nothing else inside of the box with the Magic Keyboard. I thought there would be like a manual or something, but I guess the instructions, I don't know. I guess you don't really need any instructions. Let's see. Oh, the instructions are on the inside. I was gonna say, maybe you just don't need any instructions. Maybe you just, I don't know, turn it on and it starts working. So here's the instructions. It has designed by Apple in California. Has some instructions here. I'm gonna go back and read all of this once the video is done. So I'm gonna read this off camera if I need to. If I get it working without reading, then, you know, that's how we're gonna go. But this is what it looks like when you open it up. Oh my gosh. I don't know. I saw reviews, but I didn't really watch the reviews like in depth. So I didn't realize that the keyboard had like a mouse pad or anything. I didn't realize that. I thought it was simply just like a keyboard. When I first got an iPad many years ago, I purchased a keyboard. It was like a wireless keyboard that you can connect via like Bluetooth. And, you know, it was just a keyboard that attached to it. It was like a case and a keyboard, similar to this, but it wasn't this quality. But it didn't have this. So I'm really shocked to see this. I did not think that that came with it. All right, so I saw on the picture and also on the videos that I watched that pretty much you should be able to just kind of like put your iPad on the wireless keyboard and that should be it. And that's pretty much it. So it works just like that. So I'm gonna have my, let me see if I can show you better. Okay, move this out the way. Okay, so I have the iPad and I'm going to go ahead and, oh, it should go this way. I'm gonna go ahead and just put it up on the Magic Keyboard. And it's there. It's really there. It's stuck. It's staying. I don't know. I'm shocked. I'm kind of shocked. I'm excited. I expected for it to stay, but I didn't expect for it to stay, if you know what I meant. Like, I don't know. So I can definitely see myself using this. I don't know if this is going to be my laptop replacement, and excuse my voice for elevating, but I'm really excited. This is exactly how I wanted it to be. I just did not expect it to have this. I didn't expect it to just connect that seamlessly either. So I'm actually going to bring you all closer because I want you to see this mouse moving. So let me show you. Okay, so this mouse really moves. I didn't expect that. Like I said, I thought it was just going to come with a keyboard. I did not know that was going to come with this trackpad. I think it's called a trackpad. If I'm mispronouncing what this is called, then kindly correct me in the comments. But I'm really excited about this. I'm going to go ahead and set it up. Let me also try to close it and just see how that works. So I'm just going to push it in and close it. I really like that. I don't even know if I need a case at this point, because I'm probably going to just carry it like this. So I guess it's still cool to have a case, but yeah, this is pretty heavy. This is pretty heavy. Yeah, I don't know if I'm going to be actually using the case that I ordered now, because I didn't know that this would have like a full case. Like I said, I don't even think I had the volume up on a lot of the videos. I was just kind of looking at, you know, how everything looked. And I really didn't pay attention, obviously, to the Magic Keyboard because I didn't know that it was going to look like this up close and in person. Let me open it once more. So now that it's open, it's like that. And then I can go ahead and gently push it back so that it folds out like a laptop. So I'm really excited to use this. I think that I made a great purchase. I'm going to use it for a little bit and then give you all my thoughts, and I'll probably do like a what's on my iPad as well. I'm surprised that the battery is at 91% too. Normally when I open Apple products, the battery isn't fully charged. And I guess it's not fully charged, but it's pretty much fully charged. So yeah, I'm excited. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye.